Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens doing another curbside deal that is super easy, and I'm going to explain it to you. A 12 count of the Scott's 1000. If you know, you know. This is a fabulous toilet paper for $3.59 a bag. Like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. If you think about it, they're usually like $13.99 on a non-sales week or even more lately. So to get it at almost 75% off, this is a deal that you should do just to even stock up on this toilet paper in case something crazy ever happens again. So we're going to talk about this deal in a second, but I want to talk about something else just really quickly before we dive into it. According to many sources, that includes a lot of my wonderful subscribers, Easter is 80% as of Tuesday, April the 9th. If you have an addiction to all things cute, such as these squishmallows like I do, you might want to go investigate 80% off, like some really cute stuff. If you love all things Easter, I would check it out. They're going to continue the sale throughout probably the weekend and then box it up and send it back to head office. So in-store only, make it happen. Okay, back to the toilet paper. We're going to be doing this deal as a curbside to use coupons code WITH to get the maximum savings. So you're hitting that box on the left-hand side with the red check, and then driving to the store and picking it up. So that is what we're doing. IBOTTA has a rebate for the Scott's 1000 and it's $1 back with a limit of up to 5. If you look at the bottom of the rebate, Walgreens is the second store listed and there is no coupon involved here, so you can do this. We don't have any manufacturer digitals either, so I think it's a pretty straightforward deal. Just read your fine print in case it's different than mine. Okay, so we do have this promotion of an extra 15% back when you spend 25, clean 15. We're going to do it two different ways. And then we also have a spend 35, earn back 10 on the Scott 1000. So that is pretty amazing. So deal number one, let's just look at what I have prepared for you guys. We are going to need this guy loaded, and you can use this more than one time. Just to note that it's not a one-time use, it's more than a one-time use. I've used it like 3 or 4 times. Now we're going to grab the Scott at $9.99. Again, at some stores, I think even at Rite Aid, I saw this for like $15.99. It's crazy. So 4 of these is $39.96. Look, $13.99. I'm not making this up. There it is. It's crossed out. So 4 of these is $39.96. And for this one, we're just going to use the code WAG10. So we're going to only use the code WAG10 for this one because this is a smaller basket. So just showing you your overall basket is $39.96. WAG10 taking $4 off, but you're still at that $35 threshold for the Kimberly-Clark promotion and your booster of spend 30, get back 7. Free curbside pickup tax. With your debit card, you're going to pay $38.12. Get back $17 in Walgreens cash for the booster and for the promotion of spend 35, get back 10 on Scott. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back. So you have to ask the cashier to process your order through a register so you can get the receipt. If they do it with a handheld, you're not going to get a receipt and you're not going to get your $4 back from IBOTTA because you need to photograph your receipt. So that you got to be kind of stern about that. After your $4 rebate from IBOTTA, not factoring in tax, it's $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per bag of Scott's 1000, which is a stock up price. Second stealio that we have is deal number 2. Again, we're doing this guy curbside. You need your best friend loaded, which is 7 back when you spend 30. Have this booster loaded. What we're going to do is grab 4 of these Scott's 1000 for $39.96. And then I also threw in 1 paper towel. Alternatively, if your store has no paper towel, throw in 1 toilet paper. So you pick toilet paper, paper towel, you pick. So just to show you guys, this is the coupon code that I'm going to use, clean15 for $6 off. So it's, if you want to do the first deal or this deal, this is just an extra paper towel and it's $6 off. So you're basically getting your paper towel for free. Just to show you the overall basket, it's $44.96, clean 15, $6 coming off, free curbside pickup and tax. With your debit card, you're going to pay $41.30, get back $17 in Walgreens cash for the booster and the promotion of spend 35, get back 10. And then you're going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back as well. So not factoring in the tax, it shakes us out to $3.59 per bag of either the paper towel or the toilet paper, which is really, really fantastic. So, um, definitely I would do this deal, especially if you have problems with register rewards not printing. With the IBOTTA rebate, double, triple check that it's still there. I would do it. We never get this toilet paper this cheap. And if you are an avid user of Scott's 1000, you know this is definitely a stock up price. Before I take off, I made a video yesterday where I have Schick razors, including the Intuition for 30 cents. An excellent curbside deal as well. You might want to check this out. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.